boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Fireboy DML and Pheelz. Great collab. We got some feeling for this song called Gozi. And yes, we have one chord progression that goes in the same order through the entire song. And we're gonna play the strumming pattern, look into it, everything. Now the setup, it's clean on fretboard, no need for the keyboard, so let's go into the chords. So we're gonna start with F, okay? This is how it starts and ends. So F goes a bar here on the first fret. You push down all strings there with your index finger. Then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. All right, from the F to G, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have A minor next, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor as well, and that will be open D, second G, third B, first E, and finally we have the C. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna look into the strumming here, and we need to split it into two different parts. So let's check this out with the F chord. So if you grab that one, the first part goes down, up, clap, down, like this. So one down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. Okay, and then you have a short pause to start the next part 2, and that will be to play down, clap, down. That's it. So together, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. That's one round. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. Feels goes like this. So on. All right, so let's go into the chord progression now. We're gonna start with F, and we're gonna play one full round. That means both part 1 and part 2 plus part 1. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, down, clap, down, and then down, up, clap, down. So F, one full round plus part 1. Then you go into G and play just part 2, the down, clap, down. Then you play again this A minor, one full round plus part 1, and then D minor part 2. Then you go to C and play one full round plus part 1, and then you go to G and play part 2, and then you finish off with 2 full rounds of F. And that's it. So to just summarize it, we had F, one full round plus part 1, then G part 2, A minor, one full round plus part 1, and then D minor part 2. C, one full round plus part 1, G part 2, and then finally F2. Let's go through it like this. And then you start the second round, and you just keep on rolling that through the entire song, guys. So that's it. That's how you handle it. Gozi from Fireboy and Pheelz. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar and be back here for next upload. Till then, guys, play tuned.